Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using 3 of the brand new spring shades from Butter London to create a subtle spring cherry blossom nail art design. For the base of my design, I used the Nail Foundation Priming Base Coat, which gave me an even and sheer coverage. Then I used the shade Royal Appointment and a detail brush to paint some wispy branches on both sides of my nail. And for the cherry blossoms, I used one of the new shades, Sandy Bum, and a small dotting tool to create some 5-petal flowers and 3-petal flowers, and I also added a few extra petals to fill up some of the empty spaces. Next, I used Hottie Toddy to add a little bit of coral to the center of every flower and petal. And just for a little extra detail, I used the shade Smashing to add a few tiny dots in the center of the larger flowers. For the leaves, I used Good Vibes and a detail brush to paint little almond shapes on the branches and in some of the empty spaces on my nail. Then I topped off the design with the Hardware Shine UV top coat, which gave it a super glossy shine. And I finished this mani off with the Quick Fix Moisturizing Cuticle Balm. And here is the finished Spring Cherry Blossom nail art design. So that's all for today's nail art video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you recreate this design, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram. And if you want to shop the shades that I used in this look, then I will leave some links down in the description box below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!